Okay, hello and welcome guys to another Python tutorial. I guess today we will see the list manipulation in this series or in this episode of Python tutorial series. So let's go ahead and copy this from the previous tutorial because I don't want to make another list, as we can see. So let's say I want to add a word in this list. So all I have to do is just select ghost g1 by typing it, and then I press dot append, and then let's say between single quotes, let's say country. Okay, I don't know why, but I just said so to let us know what we just did in the ghost g1 list. We just say, or we just type in print ghost g1, and we will see the difference pretty much right now. So let's start. Okay, so that one is the difference. So this one has 1 2 3 4 words, and this one has 5. So this one is the number 0. Don't make that mistake, guys. 0, and that one is number 1, second, and the third, and so on. So let's say I wanted to add a name, but I want to add it in a specific position in here. So just let's see the last thing or the last change we have done to the list. So 0 1 2 3 4. So let's say I wanted to add this the word this between what's up and country. So let's start it. So let's say ghost g1 dot. This time it's not append, it's insert, and the index, you see, it just tells you pretty much. Wing IDE helps you to do some easy scripting. So the index we want to do is between this one and this one. So 1 2 3 4. So I want it to be the 5th element, and country I want it to be the 6th element. Or just let's try it again. I think I have made the same mistakes I just warned you about in the earlier. So 0 1 2 3, yeah, I just did it. So let's say the index is the 4th, and the object is this, as we talked about it. Let's give the t lowercase. Oh yeah, we can see the program. We have we can see the list. We have to say ghost g1 another time. So let's run it. So boom, there's this between what's up and country. So let's say I wanted to remove something like country. You just do ghost g1 dot. It's as simple as saying it. Remove, and then you just insert the value. So country, let's remove the country. Okay, let's print ghost g1. Oh yeah, sorry for that. So you can choose by clicking double clicking this one, or just hitting the tab button. So there you go. So the country has been removed. So let's say I wanted to remove a specific position, not a word but a specific position. So let's go ghost g1 dot remove, and then we just do the indentation number. So this one is the first, which is number 0. This one is the second, which is number 1, and so on. So I want to remove the world. I don't want to say hello world followers. I want to say hello followers. So let's do the number 1, and then let's print. Okay, a lot of typos today. Print, and then goes G1. Let's run the program. We have a problem because I did that as a value, not as an indentation. So to use an indentation, you just use these brackets. Okay, now I guess I have the same problem. Why I'm having this problem? Move country. Guess we just have to type in world between single quotes. Okay, let's run the program. Now hello followers, what's up? This. So let's add a, I don't know, I just want it to work for me. Let's try this one, and then 1. Same problem. What is the problem? Just remove XX is not in list. So the remove does not accept any indentation, just accepts the value. So you have to get some knowledge in your list to do it. So another function I want to talk about is the sorting. So ghost G1 dot sort just pretty much sorts everything from at the beginning is the numbers, and then the uppercase A until the uppercase Z, and then the lowercase a until the lowercase b, and that's pretty much it. So not B, Z, I forgot, from the first letter of the alphabet until the last letter of the alphabet. So let's try it. Let's go to the debug. Okay, followers, it was in the second position, so in the second index position, and now it's the number in the number 0, so 1 F H W W and then the lowercase t. So I guess we are having a good script today. So let's try to add a number. Ghost g1 dot append, let's say 5, or just let's say 5, yeah, and then let's print ghost g1. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, followers da, and then there's the number 5. So you see the number 5, it's not between this single quotes, so that means it's a number, which means it's in the type of the integers and not in the type of these strings. So if we go ahead and run another insert or another sorting, we will have pretty much an error, because the integer cannot sort it with some strings. So let's say print ghost g1, and now let's run it. Now we have problem in this area. Why? Because it couldn't. So we go to the exceptions. An integer is not like a string. So yeah, if we added what's it called, a breakpoint in here, the process or the script will run perfectly and then stop right here. So that's why I like this Wing IDE, so you can add a breakpoint just in here or just in here or in here, so the program will continue until the it reaches the breakpoint and then stops, basically just stops. So you can see where your program or where your script has an error. So that's a good idea to test your program before selling it or just putting it anywhere. So as we have said, this one is not working for us. So what do we have to do? We have to change this number 5 into an integer. So we just do ghost g1 in the number of indentation of what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Surprisingly 5 in the indentation position of the 5. So we just say equal integer, and then oh yeah, sorry, we want to do it as a string, convert it as a string, not as an integer. So if we did that, we'll have the same problem all over again. So goes g1 and then the number of indentation as 5. So now we can use the sort function. So sort, and then we'll have, so let's use print function in here so we can know that this one has converted before it gets sorted out. So let's try it. You see the number 5, and now number 5 between single quotes, and after the sorting it got in the first position, which is 0. So as I said before, the sorting function just sorts, starts with numbers and then uppercase letters and then lowercase letters. So I guess I've talked about everything right now. So let's see what type of ghost g1 is. Let's say we don't know, it's a list, which is obvious right now, but we just say we don't know what type of it. So just type in print and then ghost g1, oh yeah, sorry, g1 dot, sorry, I forgot. I guess we will have to do it as a function then. What goes g1 dot, think oh yeah, between quotes. So yeah, type, let's type in type and then let's say ghost g1. Let's try. Okay, class list. So ghost g1 is a list. I guess that's it for today, huh? Let's go back and leave this one. What do we have to do? What do we have to do? Well, I guess that's all what we do have for today, and in the next, let's try it just right now, and if I couldn't figure it out, so I promise I'll give it to you in the next tutorial. So print goes g1, as I said before, and I failed to do it, is just ghost g1 dot remove country, and I couldn't remove something from this list. So let's just try it as this one, ghost g1 dot, yeah, g1 dot. Okay, so let's try the reverse function. So as you can see, this one is from the numbers to the the lowercase letters. So let's try it from the lowercase letters to the numbers. So you just type in reverse, and then let's try. Okay, you see 5 from here has became the last one. So let's try to use another thing, print. Let's try to get the last number. So ghost, yeah, I guess I have to delete all of that. Ghost g1, and then between brackets let's just say -1, which is the last thing. So it is 5, which is of course the right thing, and then -2 is the number before the last. So it just gives you the opposite direction of the positive numbers. So we can just say 0, and then just gives us this, the first thing. By the way, you cannot do -0, you can just do -1, gives you the last thing, -2 gives you the one before it, and the -3 gives you the one before the last one, so and so on. So that's a little tip for you. Okay, yeah, let's try ghost g1 dot remove. Okay, let's try to remove the let's say we want to remove the the first one, this, oh yeah, this. Let's try it in here between brackets. Okay, let's try number 0, and then let's close this bracket. So hoping we don't have any problem, and I guess we just come up with another problem. So string object has no attribute, remove. Yeah, sorry for that. Okay, guess we're stuck in here. So let's say we want to remove this hello. I want to remove the number. My god. Okay, let's leave it to the next tutorial. I just want to save in the last thing. Let's say I want to type in from hello to followers and stop. So you just use 0 and then a colon, and then this one 0 is obviously hello, the indentation of hello, and then 2, and then 1, and then 2. So if we insert the 2 in here, it won't give us the followers because it stops at 2. It does not print out 2. So let's see it. Let's go to the debug. Okay, from this to world, you see. So you're just gonna have to say, you're just gonna have to use the number afterwards. So this world. Okay, let's try to use another one. What's up? Yeah, sorry for that. I was using this one to explain this one, but the ideal thing that I should have done is use this one. So it gives us the first two words. So I want first three words. Okay, it just gives us this world, what's up. So it's pretty much great. So let's say we want the last one. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and we include the 0, which is just 5. So let's use 5. Gives us the word before the last and stops. Does not give us the 5. So if we want to include the 5, we just have to type in 6. Okay, and now we have the 5. So I guess that's it for this tutorial, and until the next tutorial, and don't worry, I'll keep my promise. So thank you, and see you in the next tutorial. Please subscribe and like, and if you have any problem, leave it in the comments section below.